if you want more word count options than that which already exists in Google Docs document, then you can go to add-on right here, and then you can go to get add-ons to install a word counter, which is much more better. So I'm just going to go and type in word count right over here, and then there's word counter max, which is what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to hit install right here, and then I'm going to hit install again, and I need to sign in with my account to grab some permissions right here. So once I allow it out, the add-on will be installed, and I'll be able to access it on the add-on section. So I can go to add-on like this, and then go on to word count, and over here I can click on view just like this. So now on the right hand side, you can see that there's a lot more word count options right over here. So right now the total word target is 0. So I can have, let's say for example, 5,000 word target right over here, just like that. And now you can see that I've met 70.54% of the total target. So this is great for reports where you are given a word limit and you want to reach out that particular word count. So over here, there's the session word count and everything else. You can see that it says ignore text between parentheses. So you can turn this on or off right over here. Ignore text in tables. You can slower update rate and so forth. All of the things can be done. So you can reset the word count over here as well and work around with a lot of things. So now you can go around, and then if you were to type in things, you can see that now it'll update it out right here, and it changes that out right over there, just like that. So this is more in control. You can see that it is here, and then you're given with the target and everything else. And this is how you can get more control over word count generator. Of course, you can go on to add-on and try some few other add-ons as well for some different functionality. So that's how you can work with word count generator add-on inside of Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.